Hi, I'm Dr. Lalita and I'm here today to share my experience of how we designed this Detox Simplified program. In my last 30 years of experience as a practicing physician, I find many times patients coming with repeated headaches and digestion problems, sleep disturbances, hair falls, allergies, etc. etc. And when we do an investigation, most of the time they do not have any major issue at all. In fact, when we have a little bit of a detailed chat with them, it revealed most of the time that it's something like in their lifestyle or a common toxin in the household or in the environment which is contributing to these problems. And also, this nature has built a beautiful machinery inside our body, the detox organs, which are working 24/7 to remove these toxins. And all we need to do is simply take care of them. That's it. So based on these experiences, we put together this workshop where we want people to understand what are the types of toxins, how it affects our health, what is this detox organ, how can I keep it healthy by simple do-it-yourself kind of a detox methods. So what we did, we put together again different schools of thought like your allopathy or the modern medicine, Ayurveda, traditional Chinese medicine, healing energy medicine and healing sound therapy, and of course yoga for the specific detox organs. So to know more of all of these, do join in for this 5-day, 2-hour per day workshop where we can get to know all of this and empower ourselves to stay healthy and fit. Thank you.